Is he hooked on his tail?
Yeah, it looks like it. That scared the
crap
out of you then, Mom.
Poor thing.
That's a water moccasin.
I don't know what...
That is not a water moccasin.
Belly.
Wow.
Now what?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I am too.
That is beautiful.
It's a water snake, guys.
Did it bite?
Okay, it would be beautiful if it wasn't a snake.
You see it try to bite that minnow?
Is it venomous?
Now what?
Now I gotta get him off.
Oops.
If I get a minnow and throw it in the water, maybe he'll go for it.
That snake.
Well, that's not going to help us if he's hooked.
Are you guys done?
Oh,
Are you done?
poor baby.
Hey, are you done?
No.
Well, it's gonna crawl all up here and get you guys.
No, don't say that.
Well, then get out of the way so I can get him off.
Want me to hold the... No.
I gotta hold the bell.
I think there's
I
another
see it.
snake.
Is it like a biting snake? Like,
Oh, it'll bite. Yeah.
so what do you want to do?
Pray it doesn't eat him.
We got 3 snakes. I see a baby one. There's one over here.
I want you guys out of the way so I can...
Where do you want us?
Away.
Out of the way.
Oh, back up.
I'm going that way.
I'm out.
Damn it, now I got a mile of line. Really?
It's like a comedy of errors.
He's mad, so be careful.
He's all snagged in another line.
Yeah, he's all tangled up now. That's one.
What are you guys doing? Stop taking pictures.
No,
I'm videotaping this. I took some small...
he's trying to go down.
I took some small
That's gonna be
videos
bad.
of it before. Now I'm taking a longer one.
You would need somebody to hold the pole while you cut him?
Dylan, hold the pole. I'm not holding the pole.
Chicken.
That's too close.
Well, you caught him.
Well, not. But I didn't think he'd really go for it.
I think he's trying to kill it.
No, he's trying to hold its head so it doesn't bite
We're
him.
family bonding over a snake.
Dylan has the pole, Chris. Let go of the pole. You focus on the snake.
There's another snake.
Hey, get back.
There's another snake.
You're getting better video quality than me.
He is so mad.
He is a mad snake.
He is not a happy snake.
Be careful.
Please pick this up.
He's got it. I don't know what it's stuck on.
Your dad's a rock star.
So now what?
Gotta unhook him.
Is it hooked in his butt?
Look here, look here.
Okay, he actually
A
swallowed
fish
it.
and a snake, guys.
What do you want me to
No.
do?
I got the pole.
Yeah. You deal with the fish, somebody.
I can feel the strength in it.
No, pal.
No, that's all right. Let it fire.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you pull out the hook then.
Okay. Sorry, buddy.
We gotta. I wanna
Fine.
watch this.
Alright, that's wrapped around.
The fish. The fish messing with you.
Your
Yeah.
turn.
Check
Cool.
that out.
Yeah. Wow.
He's not a happy camper, though.
You can touch it from the back.
Ooh,
His tail can't hurt you.
The bell's all done.
you wanna touch it?
He says, "Don't touch me."
Just stay away from his head.
That is cool. Touch it.
Wanting to touch him?
Over here. Don't touch his head.
Why, you want
Dylan?
to touch him?
No, not at all.
There's
That is,
Ew, there's poop coming
Really,
out.
Dylan?
There's poop coming out his butt. Ew.
that is cool.
Okay, that's close enough now.
That's cool. What's
You-
wrong, Mom?